Welcome back to Chat with Chief, and today we're going to go over the CWSA sample exam, right? So what you're going to do is upload the assembly, which is the long pin, and from here you're going to right click, click float. Next, what you're going to want to do is click mate. From here, you're going to click origin, and then the second origin. You're going to green check mark, X that out, green check mark, and green check mark again. Make sure it's fully defined. From here, you're going to insert components, and you're going to click the chain link. And from here, you're going to click mate and click the inside of the chain link and the long pin. And you're going to click the ring part and the top of the ring on the long pin. Green check mark. And then you can click the front plane and then the side of the chain link to make sure it's fully defined. If it is not fully defined, you will have some problems later on. And then make sure also your assembly is in MMGS. Next, you're going to want to insert component short pin. From here, you're going to click mate, click the side of the short pin, and click the inside of the chain link. Make sure it's the cylindrical part. And you're going to click the edge again of the short pin and the edge of the chain link. And you're going to click right here, the part of the short pin and the face of the short pin. And then you're going to click lock rotation, green check mark, and green check mark. From there, it will be fully defined. Now next, you are going to upload or insert component, the chain link. Click away, click mate. Again, the inside cylinder of the chain link. And you're going to click the short pin, green check mark. And then you're going to click the ring right here and the inside ring of the other chain link. And you're going to green check mark it. From here, you're going to click this top part and then this top part of your chain link. And you're going to get the angle, which is going to be 25 degrees. And then you're going to click angle, and it will give you the correct angle from here, shown on your practice exam. Green check mark. And from here, you're going to insert component, and you're going to insert a short pin. Now, click mate. And from here, you're going to click the face again, or the side of the pin. And then you're going to click the inside part of your chain link, and then the top part of your short pin, the ring part, and then the ring part of the chain link. And from there, it'll go inside. And then to fully define this, you're going to click the cylinder part of the short pin and the top part. Click lock rotation, and then your short pin will be fully defined in your second chain link. All right, next you're going to upload another chain link. Click away, click mate, click the inside part like that, and your short pin. And then I'm going to move this up. You can click the ring, and you're going to flip under and click the bottom ring of the chain link. And then from here, you're going to get your angle. And on your blueprint, you're going to click this side piece, which is right here. And that's going to be 125 degrees, which is your angle. And as you can see here, green check mark. And as you can see right there. Insert component, and now you're going to insert another short pin. Click away, click the cylinder part, click mate, click the cylinder part, and then you're going to click the cylinder part 2 of the chain link, and you're going to move it out, click the ring, and on the back side of the chain link, click the ring, green check mark, move it over, click the cylindrical part of the short pin and the face, click lock rotation, green check mark, and now your short pin is fully defined in your third chain link. insert component, and you're going to insert another chain link. From here, you're going to click mate and click the cylindrical part and click the short pin. Now you're going to click the ring, tilt it over, and click the inside ring. Green check mark. And now you're going to move your your chain link, click this, and it's going to be 130 degrees, just like your blueprint. And when I mean click this, you're clicking the top of the chain link. Green check mark. And now you have to insert a long pin. Click away, click mate, click the cylindrical part. Same thing, click the top ring of the chain link, green check mark, and click the cylindrical part of the long pin, not short pin, And then from there, you're going to click lock rotation to fully define it. If it is not fully defined, you are going to have problems, as for I did. Now you're going to go in Tools, you're going to go in Evaluate, and you go to Mass Properties. And now these are my figures, and in the blueprint, as long as you're within 1% of your answer, you're golden. So I had 348, 65, and then the other number was close as well. Within 1%, you're fine. You will not fail, and your answer will be correct. This is my take on the CWSA assembly exam. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. I know there's plenty of videos like this out there, but this is how I did it, and this is how it helped me. And this is what I do with my soldiers as well. And I usually like to time them and see how fast I can do it, because the exam is timed. So we've got it down to right under a minute to assemble all this and ensure that it's fully defined and the answer is either fully correct or within 1%. Again, if you have any questions on the CWSA sample exam, please comment in the comment section, and I'd be more than happy to answer them. This is my take on how to do it, and thanks for watching.